Hi, so today I'm actually talking about the top 5 questions that people ask when they're going through parenting matters. So the first question that we usually get is, what are my rights in relation to parenting? So the basic rule of thumb in relation to this is, while there are no orders in place, there are no rules as to who gets the child. So, and this is between biological mum and dad or partners. So whoever has that child in their possession, they do not have to technically hand the child over to the other parent if they don't want to. But in saying that, I do stipulate it doesn't look good for the parent if they're actually denying that time. But legally, that's the rule. No orders in place, no rules as to who should have the child, whether you're dad or mum. Just because your mum doesn't give you an automatic right above and beyond the father. So that's a really important thing to note. Now, the one thing I will stipulate about this, though, is grandparents. Grandparents do not have rights over children. So if a grandparent has a handle of children or has the care of children, and the biological parent walks up to that grandparent and says, I would like that child handed over to me, then technically they have to do it. Unless they have an order from a court, they cannot actually withhold that child. Otherwise, they could actually be potentially charged with kidnapping of a child. That has happened quite a few times, so be very careful if you are the grandparent in that situation. So I hope that gives you a little bit of clarity. It's really important that they know. But those are the top 5 questions that everyone tends to ask on a regular basis. So I hope that's helped give you a little bit more certainty about some of the questions that are coming up for you. I'll see you later.